Viewing photos on an iPhone is convenient, but syncing with iTunes can replace all your iPhone photos. So, how can you transfer photos from PC to iPhone without iTunes? There are several easy methods. Let's dive in. Method 1. Transfer photos from PC to iPhone without iTunes via Assistant for iOS. Since you can't transfer photos directly from PC to iPhone, you'll need a third-party tool like iOS Transfer. It lets you move photos, videos, music, contacts, and more from PC to iPhone without iTunes. Steps on how to transfer photos from PC to iPhone without iTunes using iOS Transfer. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to the PC where you have the iOS Transfer software installed. Launch the software and it will detect the connected iPhone. Then, you'll see an interface like below. Step 2. Tap on Photos on the left side menu and you'll see all photos in your iPhone are displayed. Turn to the top menu to click the plus button followed by Add File or Add Folder to add the photos from your PC. Step 3. Select to the photos that you want to import from the PC to your iPhone and click Open. Then, all desired photos will be transferred from PC to your iPhone immediately. Method 2. Put pictures on iPhone without iTunes using iCloud. On your iPhone, enable iCloud Photos and Settings. On your PC, install iCloud for Windows. Sign in, enable iCloud Photo Library, and choose a folder to upload. Check synced photos in the Photos app on your iPhone. Method 3. Add photos to iPhone without iTunes via Google Photos. On your PC, sign in to Google Photos, click Upload, and choose Computer to upload photos. Install the Google Photos app on your iPhone, sign in with the same Google account, and view uploaded photos in the Photos tab. Method 4. Transfer Pics from PC to iPhone without iTunes via email. On your PC, email the photos to yourself as attachments. On your iPhone, open the email and download the attachments. Method 5. Transfer images to iPhone without iTunes via Dropbox. On your PC, log into Dropbox, upload your photos, or drag and drop them. On your iPhone, install the Dropbox app, log in, and download the photos. Tap Save to Photo Library. Please choose a method and feel free to share any questions.